There's that project you've left on the back burner, the one with the deadline that's growing uncomfortably near. And there's the client whose phone call you really should return, the one that does nothing but complain and eat up your valuable time. The good news is that you can get better about not putting things off if you use the right strategy. Figuring out which strategy to use depends on why you are procrastinating in the first place. You are putting something off because you are afraid you will screw it up. Anxiety and doubt undermine promotion motivation, leaving you less likely to take any action at all. What you need is a way of looking at what you need to do that isn't undermined by doubt. When you have a prevention focus, instead of thinking about how you can end up better off, you see the task as a way to hang on to what you've already got to avoid loss. For instance, successfully completing a project is a way to keep your boss from being angry or thinking less of you. Working out regularly is a way to not let yourself go. Studies shows that prevention motivation is actually enhanced by anxiety about what might go wrong. When you are focused on avoiding loss, it becomes clear that the only way to get out of danger is to take immediate action. You are putting something off because you don't feel like doing it. Do what motivates you at the moment. It seems strange, but it works. Listening to an exciting music or your favorite podcast can change the situation. Everything might change your current mood, even drinking a cup of coffee or tea. You are putting something off because it's hard, boring, or otherwise unpleasant. Studies show that people routinely overestimate their capacity for self-control. Too often, we try to solve this particular problem with sheer will. Next time, I will make myself start working on this sooner. Of course, if we actually had the willpower to do that, we would never put it off in the first place. If it is 2 p.m., then I will stop what I'm doing and start work on the report Bob asked for. If my boss doesn't mention my request for a raise at our meeting, then I will bring it up again before the meeting ends. By deciding in advance exactly what you're going to do, and when and where you're going to do it, there's no deliberating when the time comes. In fact, if-then planning has been shown in over 200 studies to increase rates of goal attainment and productivity by 200% to 300% on average.